Okay, so I tried to start my Dodge Dart today and it wouldn't do that, and now it's doing nothing but this. So if I turn it off, after I turn the ignition off, it clicks like that a few times. Now I'll turn it back on, see everything pop up, just as it should. The thing there, the gear shift is in park. Everything looks normal, and then when I turn the key, nothing. Absolutely nothing. The lights go out on the gear shift, the lights go out on the dash, it's still in the on position. Then when I turn it off, nothing happens. It's absolutely like it's dead. I've had a trickle charger on the battery for a while. Now when I turn it, nothing happens here. Nothing happens there. Move the gear shift around, doesn't seem to help. Nothing's happening at all. So I'm going to put the trickle charger on it and see. It ran it all the way up until it was just about full, and then nothing works. So I don't know. Apparently there's an electrical problem that we have here. And from everything I've seen on online, it looks like this happens quite a bit with the Dodge Dart. And Dodge doesn't seem to want to fix it. So at any rate, I'll keep trying and I'll let you guys know what's going on.